This is just a part 2 to that previous video about the furnace. This is the sound level right in front of the return. Once you go into the living room, it's actually not that loud, as you can tell. And when you head upstairs, which I gotta do to film more things, that's for later, you can't even hear it upstairs. All you can hear is this Honeywell and the rattling of the ancient furnace grates. But yeah, this is a Honeywell. Another Honeywell. I don't know the model. It's running on low right now. Medium. High. And off. As you can tell, it's got some bearing noise to it, but it's just for the hallway. Then in my room I have they'd been trying to market them for a while. They got all sorts of like influencers on the train. I have one of the earlier models. This is a Leroy. Whatever. Okay, this is an old Leroy from 2020. Yes, the furnace, or the filter thing is on. I'll get a new filter for it, but I have it running on low. Here's medium. During the summer, I have it running on medium because I have my Friedrich cool running. Here's high. Pretty quiet on high, and it does move a decent amount of air. I didn't used to have a filter in here, but I got that for a whopping $5 with the new filter on it. So yeah, it's in here now. Let me turn the display back off. See you guys in the next one.